So you're using the free version of Ideogram and you're super wowed by it and you want to upgrade. Let me show you how to upgrade Ideogram account because this is super worth it. All you have to do once you sign into your account, you run out of credits, you can either click on the man upgrade button on the lower left hand side, or if you click on your account and you see, hey, I'm out of credits, I need to upgrade, it is super useful, click upgrade plan and you will be taken over to this plan right here. So as you can see, this is a free account, and right here you will see that once you upgrade to, for example, the basic plan, you can choose if you want to be billed monthly or yearly. You can select that. Keep in mind that the prices are different if you pay monthly or yearly. It's just, let's say for the basic plan, it is just $1 difference, but you will see that the plus and the pro, there's a massive difference there in terms of pricing if you pay monthly or yearly. So once you're ready, just simply go ahead and click get plan. So for example, get basic, I can click on that and I will be able to quickly put in my details here and pay for it, right? So if you're a business as well, you can reclaim your VAT as well. So that's also very important. How you will do that to not pay the VAT is basically fill in your details here. You can check the box that says I'm purchasing as a business. You can click that and you can enter your business information, which is the name and the VAT, as you can see. So you can choose a country as well. So depending on the country, you can select the correct country and you will be able to enter the VAT. So in my case, living in Czech, click at that and I can enter my business number and the name, and I'll be able to reduce that VAT right there. So I don't pay the flat rate, and that will come in super useful, guys. Like for example, if you're paying for the yearly subscription, which comes in really handy. So let's say I'm going to pay for the pro version and I'm going to do that for the year. Let's say you can see that if I choose get pro, then it's going to take me over to this page here and you will see that it's going to add the VAT, and that VAT, guys, is $105. So have a look at that. So total it will be 600, but if I am a business and I enter my address here, my details of my business here, then I would be paying $105 less. That's a lot. That's a lot. So these are some of the benefits you will be able to get back once you're, let's say, a business. But once you enter those details, guys, you can pay and upgrade your account or your subscription there on Ideogram. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.